Today I'm going to show you how a cavity is filled step by step. Stick around to see the entire process, from numbing to the final polish, in just 3 minutes. First, your dentist or assistant might check your blood pressure and apply a numbing gel to your gums. This ensures you don't feel any discomfort during the procedure. Once you're ready, a small injection of local anesthetic will make your mouth completely numb. After you're comfortably numb, the dentist begins removing the cavity. They use special tools like a high-speed drill with water spray to gently clear away decay. You'll notice a suction device in your mouth to keep things clean and dry. Next comes the slower drill, sometimes called Mr. Bumpy. While you might feel some vibrations, it's completely pain-free. This ensures all the decay is gone and your tooth is ready for its new filling. Now, the dentist applies a blue gel called Etch. This roughens the tooth's surface just enough to help the filling stick better. After rinsing and drying, they apply a bonding agent and use a special light to harden it. Here comes the fun part, the actual filling. Layer by layer, the dentist carefully adds the tooth-colored composite resin. They mold it to match the shape of your tooth perfectly, blending it in seamlessly. Once everything looks just right, they'll use the curing light again to harden the filling. This step ensures your tooth is strong and ready for action. Finally, the dentist polishes your tooth to make it smooth and shiny. They'll check your bite using special paper to ensure everything feels natural. And that's it. A perfectly restored tooth, ready to handle your favorite foods. Just give it a few hours before diving into anything sticky or crunchy. Remember, fillings don't have to be scary. With modern techniques, it's a quick and comfortable process. Thanks for watching.